Auguste Escoffier was born in a little town near Nice in 1846. In 1884, he began working at the New Grand Hotel in Monte Carlo, a prominent winter vacation hotel run by Cesar Ritz. With Cesar Ritz, they left for London in 1890 to accept an offer at the Savoy, where they were successful in attracting a wealthy and star-studded client base. He worked as an executive chef at the Savoy for 9 years, before transferring to the Ritz in Paris and the Carlton in London. When he worked at the Savoy in 1893, he invented a dish called peach Melba in honor of Australian opera singer Nellie Melba, a London staple who stayed at the Savoy while performing at Covent Garden. At the time, Nellie Melba got numerous plaudits for her performances. The Duke of Orleans then wanted to celebrate her achievements and arranged for a meal prepared by Auguste Escoffier. In homage to Nellie Melba, that gastronomy icon created a new dessert called Pêche Melba. He presented his dessert in a silver bowl set inside an ice sculpture in the shape of a swan. The swan ice sculpture was a clear illusion of Nellie Melba's performance in the opera Lohengrin, which included a swan-shaped boat. The poached peaches were placed on vanilla ice cream and topped with a nest of spun sugar. Escoffier originally named the dessert Pêche au cygne, or peach with the swan. However, 7 years later, when Chef Escoffier built the Ritz-Carlton restaurant in London with his partner and former Savoy general manager, Cesar Ritz, he replaced the sugar candy with raspberry puree. Then he nicknamed the dessert Peach Melba.